Hey everybody, it's Lauren from the Joyful Johnsons. We've got a fun, quick episode for you today all about the Juanilama plant. I'm going to show you how we have it growing in our garden, what we use it for. We actually found it from a really awesome vivero here, a plant nursery, and the woman who runs it, Marcia, she is amazing, and she told us about the Juanilama plant, and it's like the plant that won't die, and the tea it makes is delicious. So let me show you a little bit about the plant and how we use it to make tea. So we have our Juanilama plant growing here. You can see now it's about 4 feet tall from the ground up, and it has a very woody stalk. It started, of course, very small, and this plant is about 1.5 years old, and it just grows and grows and grows and grows, and we cut off what we need when we need it. Very easy to grow here. This gets about, I would say, like 6 hours of direct sun, so it has no problem with the heat here. It loves the hot climate, and it grows this really pretty lilac colored flower that is really excellent for pollinators. Our bees and hummingbirds, they will love it. And it has this textury green leaf, and it has a very kind of lemony smell. And so the woman at the vivero told us that this is really great for premenstrual cramps, stomach aches, and really the tea just tastes downright delicious. And I'm going to show you here how we make our tea. So making the Juanilama tea is incredibly easy. We have so much of it because it's a very prolific plant. You just cut off the stalks. I usually tend to harvest the ones that are maybe too close to the ground, if they're getting a little bit too long, or a heavy part of the plant to keep the plant balanced. Cut off the branch, and then Justin, he's going to show you in a second how he removes the leaves from the branches, but really it's so easy that a caveman could do it. So then you just take the dried Juanilama. Usually here in Guanacaste it takes like 1 or 2 days, to dry. And you just kind of pull it like Justin just did with the stem. And then you're left with all of the dried leaves here. And then we store it in a big jar so that we can use it for our tea. The fragrance of this seriously is amazing. It's very lemony. It almost smells, it's just lemony. It's really delicious. I usually will make it in a French press, and I put in enough of these dried leaves just to cover the bottom of the French press, and then I pour in the almost boiling but not totally boiling water. Let it steep for about 8 minutes or so, and then I love to have it either hot or iced. Iced is really great with some lime, and if you want a little bit of sweetener, you can put in some honey. And that's it for this episode of Costa Rican Kitchen with the Joyful Johnsons. I hope this video was helpful. Juanilama is easy to grow, and I hope that you try it in your garden. It's really great for you, and it is delicious, and our kids love the tea, and we love it as well. So thank you all for watching. Please subscribe if you'd like more videos coming your way about living in Costa Rica, cooking in Costa Rica, gardening, chickens, and raising a family here. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.